last period in subject of animal science and dairy paper first, we see the most important point, that is the productive order and characteristics of good order, productive order and defective order. Then the topic of the order is now finished, and today start the new topic, that is the composition of milk and its variation. In composition of milk and its variation, the definition of milk. Milk may be defined as the lacteal secretion obtained by cow or buffalo, and intended that milk immediate nutrition of newly born offspring. Second definition of the milk. Milk is clean, fresh, lactate secretion obtained by complete milking of one or more cow, buffalo, sheep, goat, etc., properly fed and kept excluding 15 days before and 10 days after calving. The most important factors that change the composition of milk. The question may be asked on that topic. Define milk and state those factors which influencing the composition of milk, or state those factors which change the composition of milk. The factors which change the composition of milk at about 13 factors, but today's period we see at about 6 factors which change the composition of milk. The first factor is breed of animal. Second factor, individuality. Third factor, health of cow. Fourth factor, feeding. Then fifth factor, age of animals. Sixth factor, season. These are the important factors which change the composition of milk. Then we see the detail about those factors which change the composition of milk, given as below. Breed. The breed of the cow is most important factor controlling the composition of milk. The wide difference in milk composition has been observed between different breeds. In general, breed producing more amount of milk, which is lower in fat percentage. That is breed, Jersey breed having fat percentage 5.6. In case of HF breed, fat percentage about 3.46, and Shewal breed fat percentage is about 4.6. The individuality, second factor, individuality. Considerable variation occurs in milk. Considerable variation occurs in milk of different animals of same breed variation is due to individuality with other conditions same. Inheritance is major source of variation of milk. Then third factor, health of cow. Ill health has far more effect on milk yield than upon its composition. The yield reduced up to the considerable extent. The common disease mastitis reduce the HNA percentage of milk. Feeding breed receiving well balanced ration. Change in feeding will not cause any material change in quality and quantity of milk. A ration heavier than the normal feed will increase the milk yield. When animal is on grazing will cause slight rise in fat, protein and vitamin content of milk. Then number 5, age of animal. Other things being equal, older the animal, less the fat percentage of the milk and HNA percentage lower in second lactation than the first lactation and tends to give till lower result in further lactation. Then number 6, climate. The average amount of fat in cow's milk in a hot country is more. General effect of climate on milk yield. Quality milk yield and quality is comparatively slight and temporary. A change high to low temperature leads to reduced milk yield. Thus the fat percentage is slightly increases.